Okay, these were the cutest chairs at Goodwill, but oh my gosh, they were so nasty. And what you're seeing right now, you can see the nasty. Ew. I'm using this paint stripper stuff, and it's taking a lot of the nasty and ugly off of these chairs. But you can see they have a really cute shape, they're really nice, and they work perfectly with the dining room table. I had even started experimenting a little bit, so not sure if you can see the stencil, but I'm gonna kind of do these in those pale shabby chic colors. So these are 4 chairs that I got for about $20 at the Goodwill, at the thrift store, whatever. So I'm gonna strip all the old paint off, paint them up, make them look pretty, and they're gonna be wonderful. So be really cool. Thanks for watching.